Money Fetish, yeah. Money Fetish, yeah. I got Fetish. Y'all niggas.
Y'all, so this is my lash cart right here. I literally have majority everything lash wise on this thing. I'm just keeping it in this closet. I got my little pillow for my clients, lash bed, and I bought a little foam thingy from Walmart. But anyway, let's get to the cards. Okay? So I put my little square thing right there to let them know what all I accept as far as payments. So at the top, I just have my little waxing sticks right here. My hands are clean, I just washed them. I got some makeup remover, which I need to get some more, but this is one of my favorite makeup removers of all times. I highly recommend this to all of my clients who wear makeup or who have to wear makeup. I recommend this to help keep their lash extensions clean. So this came with my training kit, and it's just a mannequin lash cleanser. So whenever I do stuff with my mannequin, I use that. I got a little nano mister. You can get this from Amazon. Here is what it looks like. And I have distilled water on the inside. I will link all of that in the description box down below. And then next I just have this little thing when I do lash washing, doing the lash bath or whatever. I don't spray this directly onto the client's eyes. I found out that it was very uncomfortable and kind of frightened them a little bit. So what I do is just sprinkle it on a cotton pad. Then I have some facial oils or whatever, just in case glue get in a unnecessary spot. You know, I'll just put that, use that for that. So I got these two bins. I got them from not Walmart, dang it. I got them from Dollar Tree. They're just little recycling bins. And in this one, I just keep brow tinting stuff, or the items I use to, what I use to tint brows. And this is just a dirty bin. So like, instead of me, I don't have a trash bin like directly next to me. And sometimes even if I do put one there, I forget. It's just quicker and easier for me to put like dirty micro swabs and stuff in there, and then I'll just stuff it in big trash later. I got a box of I can't even tell it. Sterilized alcohol wipes. My lash shampoo, which I need to put over there. Then I just keep some of these gel pads right here on the side for me to grab. Right here is actually where these glue rings were stored in. But I just found it was perfect to store my tapes and primer and glue and remover. So it fits. Everything fits pretty good in there. Okay. Then this little container thingy here, I'll order it from Amazon. It will be linked down below. I'll just put some gloves right there. But I just have some more glue rings in there. A bunch of glue rings right here. Sorry if the lighting is like so off, y'all. Hopefully that will help. But I just got my lash treatment serum. Oh, Jesus Christ. I got my lash serum, and I just found this at Walmart. I keep micro swabs, which I need more. Clean new micro swabs, disposable mascara brushes, all of that in here, and some gloves. I do wear gloves when doing lashes. I got this. This came with training. I got these containers from Dollar Tree, by the way. These glass containers and whatnot. So in there, I just keep makeup brushes. So when I do a lash cleanse or when I'm doing brows, that's what that's for. Keep my scissors in there. Concealer. And I got this in there as well. In this container, I just got pencils. This is a clean toothbrush, and that's what I use to clean my tweezers. But yeah, some tweezers, more makeup brushes, pencils, pens, and stuff like that. So that's all on the top row. As you go down to the second row, I have all my lash extensions, trays, every single last one of them. I don't have them organized by like curls and stuff like that, but that will happen soon. So all my lash trays and stuff go so far fit in here. I have my square thingy, mirror, something for waxing. Face cleanser. Right here is where I keep all my clean. I just got these from Walmart. They're just pencil holders. But I keep all my clean utensils and tweezers in there. And then I got another one where I put all my dirty ones. All my dirty ones go in there. And then on the third row, I just got extra gloves, a sterilizing pot, extra stuff. Mink lashes. Remember what I said? I have them on my cart on hand. And in this crayon box, I just keep lash towels and stuff like that in there. So I'm probably gonna get another crayon box or something else. But yes, this is what all I have in my lash cart.